Hey everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Oukitel WP21 rugged smartphone. It is one of Oukitel's new models available at the time of filming. The packaging and specs listed looks great. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one Oukitel WP21 rugged phone packed nicely in the product packaging. A user guide is also provided to guide users on the product operation. A 66-watt wall charger is provided, along with a charging cable to recharge your device, all packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Oukitel WP21 looks really solid in design. The material feels very firm and durable. It has a beautiful carbon fiber design, brings about a modern and slim phone body design. At the back, users will find a secondary display screen which is able to display and operate some features of the phone, more of which we will cover in the video. Moving on, let's take a look at the side of the phone. It has the power and volume keys on one side of the phone. The other side houses the SIM card tray which you can place your SD card and SIM card. Let's proceed to power the phone up to see the interface. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to configure the device before use. It is quick and simple. It is now ready to use. When scrolling around, it has a clean and intuitive user interface. Apps are neatly organized and not bloated. Moving on to the back of the phone, you will find that it has a cool functional screen at the back. Check the time, or scroll around to change functions. Music player is also available. What I like is the analog clock which gives the back screen a sense of classiness and timeless design. Great! It also has a compass which you can utilize to cater to your navigational needs. Awesome! Check out the drop-down menu which you can use. It is clean and very functional for users to access quick controls of the phone settings like Wi-Fi, flashlight, brightness, and more. Since this is a rugged smartphone, it comes with a handy toolbox which users can use when they need functions like the noise meter, or the alarm alert kit to garner attention. Many good useful features available on the toolbox. The Android Play Store is available for users to use. Find your favorite apps from the Play Store. Now we will try running a game to see how it fares. As you see, the game is running smoothly without issues. This can be thanks to the 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM, both of which are massive. It's the first time I have used a 12GB RAM phone. Awesome! The camera interface is easy to use. Select different modes of photo or videos from the slide bar. Pretty user-friendly and easily operable. Let's check out some images captured. The images captured on the WP21 is of good quality and crisp and accurate in colors. Check out a video I took on the phone. As you see, videos are clear and smooth without lag, great for capturing videos on trips when out and about. The WP21 features night vision lens, which can be utilized to see even in complete darkness. Very cool. With infrared night vision enabled, you can see even at night. Camera which can allow users to capture amazing selfies when required. It runs on Android 12 OS which is one of the newest versions of Android at the time of filming. Get access to the latest apps and features with Android 12. Overall, I find the Oukitel WP21 rugged smartphone slim and durable in design. If you want to find out more about the Oukitel WP21, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.